What's up YouTube? This is Eric Kelly, aka The Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the illustrious, the limited edition silk white variant of the OnePlus 6. But before I get started, I want to remind you guys to hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll make sure to get back to you. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Without further ado, let's talk tech. Alright guys, you see the box, you see the 6, see the OnePlus logo, you already know what it is. OnePlus box is a super low-key OnePlus 6. Nothing. The speed you need, they ain't never lied. Alright, there's some stuff on the back, we can go ahead. No, this isn't any kind of special unboxing knife, it's just a knife. But this is the silk white variant. Like I said before, I've been rocking the midnight black variant, and I've been very impressed with the phone. Very impressed with the OnePlus 6. The speed definitely has been something that I've been impressed with. Just hit my wife up with one. She's gonna be getting rid of her S8 Plus. Going ahead and getting the OnePlus 6. I got her the silk white, of course. And I picked up another one to unbox for you guys. And I'm still kind of torn whether I'm gonna keep this and sell the midnight black or not. Let's get into it. The unboxing. All right. Set that off to the side. Yeah, I like that. All right, so we got the phone front and center. Pull it on out. And whew, that icy white. All right, guys. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. This thing is clean, man. In person, there's actually a little bit of a pinkish hue to it. So if you guys have seen this phone up close, it's supposed to be rose gold. I think this is actually more of a rose gold. It's kind of a slight pinkish color. It's not the super salmon pink like on the iPhone. So if we go around, like I said, on the back, of course, we got the OnePlus logo. We got the fingerprint sensor, dual LED flash, dual camera array. On the side, we've got the alert switch and the power button. Up top, we've got a noise canceling mic. On the left side, we've got our volume up and down rocker and our dual SIM tray. And on the bottom, we have our speaker grill, single bottom firing speaker. Got our Type-C USB port, microphone, and the all-important headphone jack. 6.3-inch display up top. Go ahead and boot this guy up. And if you don't know, now you know. Notch City. Got a notch up top. In the notch, we've got a earpiece speaker, we've got a front-facing camera, and we've got an LED notification light and an ambient light sensor for your automatic brightness. Very simple, very clean design, well made. This phone actually feels, make sure I'm not crazy. All right, so here's the black one in this nice red silicone case. All right, so the black, yeah, they feel about the same. So this is the ceramic black, which is super shiny, super hard to film and take pictures of. It looks good, low key. Black phones are ironically kind of stand out a little bit more nowadays. Everybody's doing crazy colors. They're red and blues and purples and all that stuff. So this side by side so you can see both of them. Black and white. Man, it's very difficult to pick between the colors. I like the white, but it's just a lot of pink for me. Yeah, I think I might end up getting rid of this. It's a lot of pink. It looks good though. Man, it looks good. All right, but guys, this has been an unboxing of the OnePlus 6 Silk White variant. It looks oh so good. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Also, if you got a suggestion, the white or the black, leave it down below. I'll post a little survey up top as well, somewhere up here. But until next time, guys, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace.